Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about my favourite products, my holy grails. I recently did a poll on my Instagram and a lot of my followers had said that they would love to see sort of my favourite regular products that I tend to use. So yeah, here we are. I thought I'd recreate a few. I've got a mixture of skincare, primers, what else have I got? Oh, a lip product in there too. So yeah, if you would like to know what my swear-bys, my holy grails are, then please keep watching. Now, favourite eyeshadow palette, I find this so difficult to pick my favourite eyeshadow palette as there's so many out there, but I've had to narrow it down to one, which would have to be my Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette. I do have a new one coming, so I should hopefully get it next week, and I cannot wait because the swatches look amazing. But this one, I'll just open it up to show you. As you can see, it is pretty used, but it just has a stunning array of colours and oh, they just blend amazingly. I mean, even this one, if I just swatch this one for you, just such beautiful colours. This one's probably my favourite, Turkish Delight. Just stunning colours, and they're very unique. The only negative I would say is obviously the glitter. You would have to use glitter glue, but other than that, pretty usable. But yeah, I love doing my autumnal looks with that and my glittery cut creases that I normally do. So yeah, I would definitely recommend Hudabeauty palettes. That one's my absolute fave. So yeah, if you have to get one of hers, I'd definitely say that one. Okay, so highlighters is a bit hard to pick my favourite, so I've opted for these two. This one mainly as an everyday one, also a nightlife one. It's good with tan skin as well. And Jeffree Star's Summer Snow Cone. This is a true yellow, but I normally wear this when I'm fake tanned, otherwise it's a little bit too yellow on my pale skin. I'll show you this one first. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, it's very much used. It is a true yellow gold, as you can see. Stunning on the skin, really buttery, goes on smooth, absolutely love them. The Anastasia, so Hollywood, is again, you can see, pretty smooth and used. But yeah, this one's also one of my favourites. So buttery and soft also, and it is a true champagne colour, as you can see the difference there. Yeah, they're definitely my holy grails. I can't live without either of them. So one of my favourite skincare products would have to be the MAC Mineralized Volcanic Ash Exfoliator. It is my holy grail during cold winter months, especially when your skin goes all dry, flaky and gross during the winter periods. I literally like to take all my makeup off and put this on, massage it all into my skin, leave it for a good 10 minutes and then wash it off with nice warm water and a splash of cold water to close the pores. And I do this probably say twice a week. It's probably my favourite one because it actually does the job and it makes my skin so soft and smooth. And I'll probably say I've used it for a good 2 years. Again, another one of these MAC products, the Strobe Cream in the colour Gold Light. I use this every single day before I put any makeup on my face. It just gives me a really nice dewy, glowy skin and really healthy as well. Again, especially because of the winter months coming up, skin tends to look dry, dull and miserable, like we all are when it gets cold and miserable because we all love our sunshine. This literally just helps you look healthy and glowy, and I swear by it, absolutely love this product. So another one of my holy grails for skincare would have to be the Charlotte Tilbury Multi-Miracle Glow Balm. I absolutely love this product. You get 100 ml in there, so look at that bad boy. So much product in there. And I normally use it sort of after I took my makeup off. I like to leave it on as a mask during the night, so I sort of take small circular motions around my face and leave it in overnight, and I wake up and my skin is so soft. All of it's been absorbed, not oily, and oh, it's just amazing, especially during the winter months. But again, when the skin's dry, crusty, you feel rubbish, this literally gives you life. I swear by this, and I use it probably sort of 2-3 times a week. Absolutely love it. So another one of my skincare would have to be the primers, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primers, like a silicone based one. I suffer a lot with sort of open pores around my nose area here and also smile lines. This is probably the only primer I've used that has actually sealed those in and lasted all night for me. especially on a night I want to go clubbing, you know, raving it up, drinking, partying. You need that face to stay on. This literally keeps my face on, in place, and when I come home, oh my god, no pores are to be seen, no smile lines, and yeah, I would highly recommend this to anybody, especially if you do get smile lines. And also, speaking of nightlife, Urban Decay All Night, if you haven't heard of this product, you need this in your life. I want to say, is it something like 16 hours? Yeah. Make sure your makeup stays on your face for 16 hours. So when you're partying it up, twerking away, drinking away, so many shots, doing whatever you do on a night out, your face won't move, and that is exactly what you need on a night out. And this, I swear by, I will not go out without this on my face, and I love it. Again, use this probably now good 8 years, if that, and yeah, love it, swear by it, you need this in your life. Also, one of my favourite products would have to be Carmex. I mean, let's face it, no one likes crusty arse dry lips. This is probably the most moisturising lip balm I've ever used. I take a big, huge scoop at night and whack it on my lips, and yeah, saves me having crusty lips during this cold winter. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that if you suffer with chapped lips out there. Okay, so that is my favourite products of the month. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do let me know in the comments below if you're going to be getting any of these, or if you already have them, let me know if they're your holy grails. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, I shall see you soon. Bye guys!